So this is just going to be a quick video where I'm going to do a masking transition using this clip, using Paint X for Lumafusion, which is new in the 5.3 update. It is a paid plugin though, which is something to be aware of. So for this example, I'm going to use this tent, but you can use moving subjects and the Paint X will track it a bit and you can keyframe it. I'll put some links to some tutorials in the description which shows you how to do the tracking and the keyframing. So what I'm going to do is use the pen icon, make it green, but this can be another colour and then adjusted when using the green screen effect later on. I'm going to shrink it a bit and get rid of the softness to try and get accurately on the corners. So I'm just going to colour it in now, this tent. Now I think that's fairly accurately done, so I'm going to track it. So it hasn't tracked this example, and this is an issue I've been having with it occasionally. So I'm just going to exit Paint X and try and go back in. So it seems the issue was I had adjusted the speed to about 1.7 times speed in the speed adjustment window, and that seemed to be causing the issue with Paint X. Once I changed that down to 1 times speed, it seems to be working okay now on this clip. So I'm just going to add some keyframes here. So when that sizes down, I'm going to the little mouse icon. Adjust this slightly. And that should be okay. So now we're going to go on to the second part where we add the green screen key. And so that now is through that, and we're just going to adjust it so we don't catch any of the background. It looks good. Spill suppression off, I would say, just because it makes it look all brown, and we're going to put erosion distance up a little bit, blur that a bit less with the green. And what I'm going to duplicate the clip, cut it to about there, add a transition. And we're going to remove the Paint X, these two from that, so it's just the normal tent, and then it's going to fade into that clip, but below these two, I'm just going to multi-select these, move them up. We're going to have another clip below, so I'm just going to find a clip, sure I can find something. I'm going to put that clip below. When we get to here, we're then going to do a zoom here, so we're going to go to frame and fit. This is already slightly modified, so we're going to go to maybe there and increase the size to full. I'm going to use 2 fingers to zoom in on this, and there. So we're now going through, and I'm going to do So I'm just going to ease that out to make it nice and smooth. Yeah, and that's the effect. See if it plays back there. And that's the masking transition. This can work in many different ways. I'll put some examples up on the screen now. And thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the tutorial.